Hi everyone, I'm Hui, and in this video we'll showcase DataMiner's integration with ServiceNow by walking through a production job workflow initially created through a service item in the service catalog that gets automatically imported and handled by DataMiner. Let's get into it. ServiceNow is a software as a service platform that allows defining, managing, automating, and structuring services for companies. Our integration with ServiceNow extends your catalog services with DataMiner's infrastructure visibility, context awareness, and intelligence, providing new capabilities like automatic ticket creation from incidents and alarms, extended event and job management features with automatic resource scheduling, and even more in the future. This is the service catalog in which we have built a couple of custom catalog items. Today, we're going to be using the production job for event. Once we open the service, we will see a form page that will allow us to order a new production job. Let's create a new production job for a football match. Call it Production Job for New York Jets versus Miami Dolphins. The event name is simply New York Jets versus Miami Dolphins. Now we set the start and end time. The job is scheduled to start at 5 p.m. and end at 9 p.m. Now we can select some of the resources necessary to carry out this job. So we'll use, for example, the LA Studio Desk number 2, and we'll also need an OB truck stationed at the venue. So OB truck number 3. Now we're ready to submit this job by clicking the button on the top right. When you do, the job and all its details will be immediately added to DataMiner's Production App. As you can see, the job is now present in the list. When you open it by clicking on the job's name, a panel will pop out from the right displaying its details. You will notice some of the fields are filled in according to what we selected while creating the job in the ServiceNow form page, also including a reference to the platform where the job came from. But here in the DataMiner's Production App, you could go ahead and fill in further details for your job. There are other sections addressing the production information and details, additional job information, audit, and, most importantly, resources. We already covered most of these in another video, linked down below. Let's jump straight to resource selection. As you can see, both the desk and OB truck are already pre-selected to the ones we picked during the job's creation in the ServiceNow portal. By clicking Next, we can select further human resources to execute the job. They're all pre-selected by default based on availability, but you can very much override any of the positions. The job state is now set to waiting for approval, so all that's left now is for the supervisor to give the final approval. This can be done by clicking on the Approve button. Once we do, DataMiner will book all those resources we selected earlier. This will be a resource scheduling type booking, because the system needs only to keep track of resource utilization, so no one else will be able to book them during that specific time range. We can confirm this by using the resource scheduling app in DataMiner Cube. Let's find the production job we created. If we expand its resources by clicking here, we can see the list of resources we require for this job, as well as the time range during which they will be occupied. Integrating ServiceNow allows us to combine the administrative motions of production job creation with DataMiner's end-to-end infrastructure visibility and context awareness, resulting in an intelligent, automated, and more convenient workflow. For more information about this or anything and everything ICT, media, and broadband, visit our Open Dojo community and register there for free. Meanwhile, I hope you enjoyed this demo and I will see you next time.